Hello everyone. Good morning. Ayan. Meron tayong naging trade for Asia session. Ito is at around 1.85 hours. So na-trade natin siya sa apat na account. Ito is sa CFD, ito is sa futures, forex ito, futures accounts to. Ayan. So in profit tayo for this trade. And then ang naging entry natin dito is yung inversion. Okay, delete ko na muna tong mga profits na to. Alright, so paano ba ako nag-come up with this trade? Okay, looking at the, sorry, ang daming drawing na. Looking at the weekly, ayan, we are bearish, right? And then, tignan mo yung 4 hours. Yes, nagkaroon tayo ng retracement here, but we close bearish around here. Nag-close siya, nag-confirm yung gap here to go lower. Tapos, pagdating ng market open here, around here, ayan, bearish pa rin tayo. Meron tayong retracement ng bullish, which is around here. Ayan, bearish tayo overall. So, target natin is, actually, hinihintay ko tong gap na to. Here, we have a gap. Nabalikan ni NQ or Nasdaq, CBH4. But, hindi niya binalikan. Why? Kasi meron na tayong SMT divergence with YM or Dow Jones or US 30. So, hindi na required si price to get the liquidity here kasi meron na tayong liquidity taken out sa YM or Dow Jones. Ngayon, pumunta ako sa 15 minutes here. Ayan. Nag-measure ako ng standard deviation projection from this low to get this. So, nasa reversal area tayo here. Negative 3.5 to negative 4. Yung reversal areas is negative 3.5 to negative 4 at saka negative 2 to negative 2.5 area. Ayan. So, sakto tayo dito sa area na to. Now, nagkaroon din ng SMT with YM here. Actually, meron ding SMT with YM around here. Tapos, meron tayong big gap dito na possible mag-reverse yung price. So, if yung price umangat dito sa gap na to, possible iti-take out niyang next is itong high na to. Then, pwedeng bumaba ulit kasi bearish pa rin tayo. Now, anong nangyari? So, nirespect niya yung FVG na to, bumagsak, nag-drop, nag-confirm yung inversion from 15 minutes time frame here, targeting yung sell side liquidity natin dito. Tapos, meron akong actually, akala ko maiiwan na ako dito. Actually, nag-place ako ng order around here. So, ina-expect ko yung price na kunin niya to. Here. Yung inversion. Hindi niya kinuha. Sabi ko, okay. Mukhang mistrade na to. Okay lang, hayaan ko na. Then, bumagsak. Di pa rin niya kinuha. Nag-reverse siya or retrace around sa area ng negative 2 to 2.5 here, which is reversal area natin for standard deviation projection. Nag-retrace, paangat, pabalik dun sa entry, which is at inversion ng M15 or 15 minutes time frame, then bumaba na siya to get yung sell side liquidity here. Ayun. Sana nag-learn ka sa trade breakdown na to. By the way, meron tayong website. Yan. Punta ka dyan. Makaka-join ka sa community natin and also yung free course natin for trading. Ayun lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.